Imagine you walk into a bank to get a mortgage. You sit down with the loan officer, hand over your documents, and they review everything. They run your credit, look at your income, and plug everything into their system. Now, here's the important part most people don't realize. That bank only has one set of loan program, their own. So if something doesn't quite fit, maybe your credit score is slightly off, maybe your income is structured a little differently, maybe you're self-employed or buying an investment property, there's a good chance the answer you'll hear is simply, sorry, we can't approve this loan. And unfortunately, that's where the conversation ends, because that loan officer works for one institution. Now let's look at the other side. When you work with a mortgage broker, it's a completely different experience. A broker is not tied to just one bank. Instead, a broker works with many different lenders. Think of it this way. Going directly to a bank is like walking into one store and hoping they have what you need. Working with a broker is like having someone who can walk into dozens of stores on your behalf to find the right fit. If one lender says no, the broker doesn't stop there. They can look at another lender, another program, another set of guidelines. Sometimes the difference between a decline and an approval is simply finding the right lender for your situation. There's another advantage people often overlook. When you work with a broker, you're not just getting a loan, you're getting a personal representative. Someone who is working on your behalf, helping you navigate the process, explaining the options, and making sure the loan fits your goals. Because at the end of the day, mortgages are not one size fits all. Every borrower is different. Every situation is different. And having someone who can shop multiple lenders and advocate for you can make a huge difference. So, if you're thinking about buying a home, refinancing, or exploring your options, it's worth understanding the difference. Because sometimes the path to approval isn't about changing the borrower, it's about finding the right lender, and that's exactly what a broker is there to do. Reach out to us at Home Loanist, call or text us today,